Okay, good day everyone. Good morning sa lahat ng nanonood dito sa ating YouTube channel. This is El Maestro. Kumusta kayong lahat? Okay, for today, we're going to discuss, illustrate linear equation into variable. Okay, so this is a very interesting topic. So I hope all of you are ready. Let's go. So, linear equation in two variables. So, let A, B, and C be real numbers such that A and B are not zero. So, we will be dealing this in a linear equation, okay? So, a linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in this form. So, this is the standard equation of a linear equation. First, this one. So, we have AX plus BY is equal to C. So this is the standard form of a linear equation. So the standard form of equation is the numerical, A is the numerical coefficient of X. Okay, look. So lahat ng katabi ng X variable, that is A. Okay, so si B naman is the numerical coefficient of Y. So meaning, lahat ng katabi ni X, that is your A. Lahat ng katabi ni Y, that is your B. And C is the constant. Okay? So lahat ng makikita nyo later on na mga values or numbers na katabi ni X, yun yung value ng A natin. Lahat naman ng numbers na makikita nyo katabi ni B, lahat yun, tawag natin is si B. Okay? So determine which of the following is a linear equation. So, tingnan na, I will be giving you examples here, tapos titingnan natin if this is a linear equation or if it is not. Okay? So, let's have this first example. We have x squared minus 2y is equal to 5. So, let's evaluate and let's check. Let's compare this equation na given to the general or the standard equation. So, not a linear equation in two variables. Why? Tingnan natin. This example is meron siyang squared. Diba? Yung x niya naka-squared. But in our standard form, walang squared yung x natin. So, dyan pa lang malalaman natin na yung x squared minus 2y is equal to 5, hindi pala siya linear equation with two variables. Okay? Pag sinabi nating two variables, we are dealing two variables. If nakita nyo, merong x and y. Okay? So, this is linear equation na may dalawang variables. Kasi pag linear equation with one variable, we are only dealing with x or y. But in this case, two variables, so dalawa x or y. So, again, this is not a linear equation because yung x natin dito naka-squared. Next, so you have 3x minus 2y is equal to 10. So to determine, tingnan lang talaga natin if meron or present ba yung mga element ng isang standard equation. First, okay? So this is a linear equation in two variables. Bakit? Tingnan nyo. Okay? Meron siyang ax term or x term which is meron din siya. Okay? Meron siyang yung y, by term which is meron siyang 2y dito. So, wag niyo munang isipin yung sign. Dito naka-plus, dito naka-minus. So, regardless, tingnan muna natin yung mga terms na meron siya. Meron siyang x na term, meron siyang y na term. Yun yung importante kasi two variables, di ba? So, dapat meron siyang x terms or x term and y term. And also, we have constant term, which is 10. So, that is why this 3x minus 2y is equal to 10 is a linear equation linear equation in two variables. Again, this one, 3xy is equal to 5. Is this a linear equation in two variables? Maybe some of you will say, okay, that's a linear equation kasi in two variables kasi meron dalawang variables, diba? X and y. In that case, this is not a linear equation. Bakit? Tingnan nyo. Yung ax dito class is separated by yung x at y, separated siya ng isang operation, a plus or it could be a minus sign. But in this case, hindi. Tingnan nyo, magkatabi yung x and y. So meaning, isang term sila. Okay? In this case, dapat, pag linear equation with two variables, separate terms yung x term at y term. Kaya, this is not a linear equation in two variables. And this one, is this a linear equation in two variables? Correct. This is not a linear equation in two variables. And maybe you will ask, sir, bakit? Meron namang x term, merong y term. In this case, yung x term natin, class, okay, is naging denominator siya. Hindi yan pwedeng rational or fraction form. Okay, pwedeng fraction yung a natin, pero never na maging fraction yung variable natin. So in this case, this is not a linear equation. Okay? Ito yung babantay nyo. Talaga dapat ganitong form. Merong x term, merong y term, and merong c constant term. Okay? So later on, pwedeng walang constant, pwedeng meron. Okay? So importante meron tayong x and y. So next, we have y is equal to 2x minus 5. Is this a linear equation? Yes, that is a linear equation. Because present yung y term natin, merong y. Sabihin nyo, sir, bakit walang katabing b? Oh, it's okay. Kasi pag walang katabi ang number dyan, it is understood na 1 yan. Okay? So merong 1 yan. And meron tayong x term, which is also we have x term here, and we have a constant term. O merong constant. So this is a linear equation. Okay? So we will write a linear equation in two variables in standard form. Then we will identify the value of a, b, and c. Okay? So let's write down the standard equation. That is ax plus by is equal to c. So first example, we have 3x is equal to y plus 12. If makita nyo, class, sa standard equation, dapat ax plus by is equal to c. Dapat si constant lang yung nandito sa other side. Sa right side ng equation, si x and y na term dapat nasa left side. So in this case, si y is nandito sa right. Dapat kasi si 12 lang yung maiiwan dyan. So let's transpose. Okay, kita nyo, meron tayong x, meron tayong y, and meron tayong constant term. So this is a linear equation. So in this case, let's transpose y sa kabila para magiging standard equation na siya. So from y transpose sa kabila, magiging 3x minus y is equal to 12. Tingnan nyo. So meron na siyang 3x, the same with this, minus at plus. Walang problema yan. It could be plus or minus. Then, by or the y term and the constant term. Okay? So let's determine the value of a, b, and c. So in this case, tingnan nyo, compared, na-i-box ko yan kasi i-compare natin, pareho na sila. So the value of your a is ito. Okay, so ano yung katabi ni x? Si 3. Diba? Yun yung sabi ko, yung katabi ni x, yun yung a nyo. How about katabi ni y? That is your b. If na-notice nyo, sinama ko yung minus. Okay? So meaning, your b is negative 1. Diba sabi ko, pag walang katabi yung variable natin, that is understood na 1 yung coefficient nun. Okay? So in this case, yung walang katabi si y, so that is understood 1 yan. So that is negative 1. Bakit negative? Kasi minus to nandito. Okay? And lastly, we have the constant, which is 12. Okay? So that is c is equal to 12. So ganun lang, class, no? That's how you interpret or illustrate or identify a linear equation. And also, identifying the coefficients of x, y, and the constant. Another example, x plus 6y minus 10. So in this case, class, yung constant natin nasa kabilang side or nasa left side. So kailangan natin maitawid yan sa equal sign para mapunta sa right side. Yun yung pinaka-standard natin, ganito. So, meron tayong x term, meron tayong y term, meron din tayong constant term. So, meaning, this is linear equation with or in two variables. So, let's transpose 10 para magiging standard equation na siya. So, magiging x plus 6 is equal to 10. So, negative 10 transpose, magiging positive 10. Okay, so makita nyo, the same arrangement na, okay, ng standard form natin. Na ito yung x term, y term, and constant. Again, value of a, walang katabi si x, meaning that is equal to x is equal to 1. Okay, pag walang katabi si x. Next, we have the y term. So the value b is equal to 6. And lastly, our constant term, which is equal to, very good, equal to 10. Okay? So, another example. So we have y is equal to 2x plus 4. Again, evaluate, meron tayong y term, meron tayong x term, and meron tayong constant term. So meaning, this is a linear equation in two variables. The problem, this is not written into its standard form. So kailangan natin isulat into its standard form. So let's transpose 2. So magiging negative 2x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, determine the value. O, tingnan natin, magkapareho na sila ng standard form natin. So, what's the value of your a? Anong coefficient or ano yung katabi ni x? Si negative 2. That is our value of a. So that is a. Okay, a is equal to negative 2. How about b? What's the value of b? Wala na namang katabi si y, so that is understood equal to 1. And our constant term is equal to 4. So, this is a, b, c. So, ganun lang kasimple class, no? Ganun lang kasimple mag-illustrate, mag-identify ng linear equation in two variables, especially pagsulat ng standard form. Okay? So, later on, mas madali kasing isolve or identify or gamitin yung ating linear equation pag nasa standard form na siya. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. If you have question, just comment it down below. Tingnan natin if we can answer that one. So, yung anything na mga question nyo, we will try to address that one. Okay? So, once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. God bless you all.